The Phoenix Suns are at the bottom of the Western Conference, but at least their young players are having a pretty decent season. Dwyane Wade, he had the highlight of the night in this one for sure. And the Bulls, they did make that trade at the deadline, getting rid of Taj Gibson, McDermott. Now we get to see how the Bulls are playing without these players. Fourth quarter action. It is a tight game. Phoenix appears to have it under control. They're up 11 points with 4 minutes and 30 seconds to go. But with 2 minutes and 30 to go, Booker turns it over. We're going coast to coast, and Wade rises up for the flush. He's warming up and then back in transition. Rejected layup, but look at Jimmy Butler with 3 defenders. Kicks it outside, wide open, splash! They're only down by 3. Inbound to Butler. He's gonna slash and step it back to tie the game. A big 3 in the fourth quarter in the clutch. And then for the game, of course, they're going to Butler. Mid-range pump fake. He gets him up in the air and knocks it in to take the lead with 9 seconds left. Inbound to Booker. High pick and roll. He almost loses it. Good defense from Wade. He pops the 3. It's off. But there was a foul on Wade. Wow. A late slap on the wrist. Nobody can believe it. Booker at the line. Misses the 3rd free throw. We're going to overtime. Booker could have won the game right there. The frustration is setting in, and then a bad pass. Still by Jimmy Butler, throws it down. Hanging on the rim, and then Dwyane Wade turns back the clock with the poster over Alex Len. Can you believe it? Wow. The Chicago Bulls hold on in overtime. The play of the night from Wade. Look at that celebration. Curry, a deep 3. He's got it. And 1 4-point play. He's dancing. And then to end the third quarter, look at these moves. This is crazy. He lost it, got it back. Why not let it fly? Shot clock cheese. The Warriors.